Hello everyone, this is Larry with Barter Farms. Today I'm going to show you how to pre-drill your metal roofing panels before you hang them. This was taught to me by some roofers, and if you saw my last video, the part before this, when I was loading this, I loaded it all upside down. All my holes for my screws have to be in my ridges on this type of metal for this roofing panel. So what I'm going to do is measure down, and then whatever your spacing is for your roofs, you just pre-drill them. So if you're at 2 feet, you put your screws every 2 feet. I'm going to come down a little bit from my roof cap, and I'm not going to pre-drill up here where my roof cap comes. So my first holes are probably going to be about 2 foot. And here I'll just go ahead and get at it. Another thing I'm using is an 1/8 inch drill bit. So now that we have our panels pre-drilled, it's time to hang them on the roof. Hello. Looks like I've got the roof done now. If you look, you can see the screws are all in a nice straight line. And that's what drilling your holes does for you beforehand. Everyone have a good day.